Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video. Today what you called Lady leshurr DIV. DIV basically. What's the acronym? So DIV. So let's direct it to our Lady leshurr, man. Honest to God. So good while, bruh. Nah.
I'm not the one, but I'm the one. All around the globe, they know I'm a don. I didn't even need to reply. I was just bored, I wanted some fun. I had to do this, maybe for rum. Want to get out for a gal, are you dumb? You brought it all on yourself, you're a punk. Said it for me, now you couldn't have done. You don't want smoke, I'll keep you blunt. Look, it's a publicity stunt. Trying to make it seem like it's because of my video when it's been 1 year and 9 months. Huh? Something don't add up.
Wait. This is a this song, right? It must be a this song because see now she's singing it actually to somebody. It's like she'd actually sing it to somebody.
Blow out the cloud with a work rate. Throw your cake on the floor, now it's dirty. Surprise! Now look at her face. Shook, yeah, you're an earthquake. Can't see me, hat low like nurse plate. This shit should have
Yo, that's crazy. Yo, get that bad still in, bro.
Why would anybody wait 2 years? Aw, you sang her. You should have done a little bit of research. You was a meme when I heard about you. Weren't on a scene when I heard about you. Like a jump, like a
wait, who the hell is she singing about, bro? Who the hell is she singing about?
You want a doll, baby doll, you a target. Wanna be Nikki, there's only one Barbie. Thin line between Carpi and Harvey. Say it with your chest.
Dude, wait. Is she singing about? Is she singing about Stefan Dan, bro? She said wanna be Barbie, wanna be Nikki. I know that Nick Stefan Dan kinda sing like Nicki Minaj, John. I don't know, bro.
There's only one Barbie. Thin line between Carpi and Harvey. Say it with your chest if you profit.
Dude, there's no way she's singing about her, bro. No way. Dude, Stefan Dan is my favorite, bro. But I love Lady leshurr too.
That's my thing. You don't remix that. Fake thing. I am the realest gal. Bother clothes and then keep it, gal. Don't tell me how many speeches I should do when you ain't even seen this, gal. Last one was about 3 years ago, so that was a reach. Come reach this all. If I stopped at number 2, I'd be in the same place as you. Number 4 got my mom a house and my sister a car and me a yard tour. I don't wanna hear no talk on my speeches when you done a queen speech in your grind days. That's just another remix.
Queen speech?
Posting those deep down. Don't play me. It's cool though.
Dude, I'm scared to know who she's talking about, man.
20 years seems still relevant. 5 years time, they'll be like, who are you though? Respectfully. Kudo, you can have my old style, car got a new flow. This one's mad, it's giving them goosebumps. I'll make their hair stand up just like Julio. Ivorian, cough medicine with clout. Been doing this since you was like 12. With your push up bra and your push up mouth. Free handout, I can see you need help. Come, fix my crown, yeah, lift it up. I could have dropped this in October, but I didn't want to kill her in Black History Month. Lord, take the bag.
Damn. Yo, she didn't want to kill her in Black History Month. Out of respect, bro. Out of pity. Out of respect. That's crazy. You'll get dragged like your house curtains. Draw out, don't wanna get great. Old school like boo and I engage. You getting rude too, better be. Damn, yo, she's dude, I'm not scared. It's Stefan Dan, bro. I don't know. Yeah. Yo, why she murder it? Yeah, dude, I don't know who she's murdering, bro, but oh my god, I feel sorry for them, bro. Dude, I wonder if hold on. Dude, I don't even want to know. I'm not gonna even look up anything, bro, because for some reason I wonder if it's Stefan Dan, bro. Anyway, guys, bro, Lady leshurr, bro, sick as always. I feel like it's somebody must be popular. I don't know. For some weird reason. Bro. But you guys probably gonna let me know. Just let me know who was this song towards.